WOLF stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Wolfspeed stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of that down in this brief short 1-minute video. And is the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience. I have seen what's working for me and what's not. And Wolfspeed will be set in a place where it's just a bearish market. Like, I'm not saying this in a bad way or anything, but it's been just sort of melting down. Started right here. Like, you might think that I'm lying to you or whatever, but I literally have the proof. Where this has been just like it was like 10.06 at the time 7 months ago, and since then it's been melting down. Genuinely speaking, for me, only if I see a double break I would look to take things further down. Like, a random sells will not make sense. I do have a bunch of receipts as well with like 43 results. That's that. There's like literally nothing else that I'll be doing with Wolfspeed now. Just being patient and all that good jazz. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.